I'm on Double Up. I don't know what this game is called. It's the FireCracker game. I got all three of them on max bet. 10 cent, 480. Well, not max bet, but for me it is. So I got all three of them. All right, here we go. So I got Double Up, got 4 spins, and ultra spins. Come on, something good. There we go. Oh, that thing right there is the ultra. There we go. Come on, ultra. There we go. Keep the ultra going. There we go. Come on, ultra. Yes, on both of them. Keep it going. Good on top. Oh, good on bottom. And all right. Good. Keep it going. Wow, I got all three of them. This is awesome. Come on. All right. Save it. Got a lot of spots left. Yeah, keep the ultra going. Come on, give me a big number. Give me a big number. Save it. There you go. Save it on the bottom. Save it on the bottom. Come, there we go. All right. Oh, top and bottom. Not much on the bottom. There we go. Oh, both of them again. Got 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. Keep it going. There we got the ultra on the bottom. Boy, that's not doing too good on the bottom. All right, all right. Yes. Back to 4 on both of them. Got the ultra on the bottom. There we go. Is that double again? Yep. Come on, big number. Fill it up. All right, double up. The grand is at 8,000. Haven't got any of the major, minor, minis. Maybe that's what you get. You get a chance when you fill all positions for the grand. Okay. I'm gonna save it up top. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Top is saved. Bottom we need one. Come on, fill one of them up. All right, ultra, keep going. Big ball. Good. We need one on the bottom. Save it on the bottom. Come on. Oh, almost. Okay, we're done on the bottom. We still got 2 on the top. Save it. Still got 3 spots. Come on. Last spin. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Oh, we got the ultra. No huge balls. So I don't know what this is going to take. That's good, huh? There we go. Those are good balls. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about on Shane. Got all 3 of them. The ultra, the double, and the extra. 10 cent, $407.50. Got all three of those. That was awesome. Alright, we'll do a couple of backup spins. Just because I don't think there's any chance we're gonna. Alright. Alright, we're gonna cash that out, y'all. Cool. That's $100 in, 420 out. It's a $320 profit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless and roll tide.